Hello from hello from Slovenia again. Today I try some swiping and didn't like it, and before that I did some split cup pour that I didn't like it neither. So I decided to pour my paints into the pearl white and do an old school straight pour from up high. And I used Naples yellows. I know Naples yellow, gold, white, pearl white, greenish blue, some mosh, this little piggy mixed with pearl white, and some turquoise mixed with pearl white. And I pour it on, stretch it. Kind of didn't like it at first, I wasn't sure, but it has some potential. So at the end I did some finger dips in that middle. It kind of didn't like, but it was again one of those days that when you're painting dry, you are just wow, it was worth it, because those pearl cells became to grow while I was doing my dips. So don't miss out the other part of the video. here is the dried result. Oh my god, this was a journey, but this painting is so beautiful. I maybe can catch some shimmer. This yellow line in here and this dance of blooms, blossoms, I don't know. It's magical. I love it. It's hard to show on camera the whole beauty because of all the pearls that I have in there. So you see, sometimes this old school, straight pour with the knowledge that you have now can create magic, even though that you failed 2 times before. It was worth to try again to get this beauty. What do you think? I think that definitely was worth it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.